Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to on dating on Facebook. And doesn't matter if you have Android or iPhone, okay? You need open your Facebook, but before after you need make your day, okay? Check your app store, okay? App store or Play Store and update your app. Now when you are here, you need touch in the corner. Can you see three lanes? Touch here and then can you see dating, okay? In the first page can you see dating. If you don't see dating here, you need those in see more, okay? Maybe can you find them here, okay? Now those in dating and set up your profile, okay? Upload photos and make a description and I don't know, I don't remember what more information asks you here. Maybe your work or study, your interest. That's it. This is all. And then you can use this app like a Tinder or Bumble. I don't know what is the most popular in USA, but here is Tinder. Okay, I need to say more. This profile, okay, when you make your profile here is different that your profile in your Facebook, okay? That profile is different to different with this profile, okay? Not is the same, okay? If you upload photos here, no is the same in the your personal profile, okay? And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.